बड़ा प्यारा है। Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Dave. Today you are before time. Saunak is sitting as if he is in garden, you know, talking to mom and brother, and खाना वाना भी खा लेता होगा बीच में. Huh? We are teaching you,
No,
we are not teaching the whole family, dear Shaunak. For him, there are separate classes, you know, specially designed for him.
Yes.
Yes. And your hairstyle is same. You know, yes. Vate.
I want to get a haircut, but
Now you have
no
a valid
barber is
reason.
available.
Yeah, now you can give a reason. Start. Why Shishej is so sad?
I am not sad, madam.
Okay. No, I thought you all are sad that computer teacher has come again.
No.
Okay. What about other classes? You are enjoying all the other subjects?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes.
English class. Yes.
Okay.
Half Nadiyad is attending the English class together. Huh? I'm waiting for others. That's why I cannot start. You know, now it is 10 o'clock. See, I am also like you. I come before time. Yes.
Trisha. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Kavya. Relax.
हाँ कौन है ये गुड मॉर्निंग भाई नॉट माय स्टूडेंट
ओम છે
माय स्टूडेंट आर नॉट दैट स्वीट
અરે હા મેડમ બોર્ડે એવું કીધું છે કે આ શું છે એબીપી આનંદા પર 12 થી એક ક્લાसेस રહેશે હા ટીવી પર સ્ટ્રીમ થવાના છે આજે અને પરમ દાડે
I did not get it. Repeat.
એબીપી આનંદા ચેનલ છે ને એન પર 12 થી એક સાયન્સ ની તો મેથ્સ ની ક્લાસ રહેશે
Okay. So you want to see that channel at the time? Go ahead. 12
ના
o'clock.
ના ના એમ નહીં એટલે બોર્ડે એવું કીધું છે કે સમજો થઈ જશે ને તો પછી પ્રોલોંગ કરશે
Are you all getting what he's saying? There will be a math class at 12 o'clock on some TV channel, yes?
ABP.
Ananda.
Okay, don't worry, attend today and tell me the report. Still we are waiting for others because we are total 15, so 14 have joined. I am waiting the number to be 19 or 20.
19 are there.
Okay, now there is a small request and small announcement for the students who are behaving as if they are in a garden. First instruction is because you are attending a class, you will sit in one room in isolation. It is not a quarantine, but I don't want that 3 brothers, 3 sisters, 3 siblings attending computer class. Okay, it is specially for you. You are in 12th standard. Okay, so you cannot sit as if you know it is a family training. This is for Om Patel. Your mom, your dad, no one should be near you. Shaunak also. No, strictly, I'm not joking. My tone can be, there can be little, jokes, but I'm serious. Okay, otherwise, we can make a rule that we will see anyone else's face on the screen and we will remove your name from the group. You know how we are. So be very, very careful. You want to eat something, eat either before class or after the class. You have 20 minutes, more than enough to eat something. You want to go to washroom, 20 minutes, more than enough. Okay, now you're not going with your friends in the washroom, so you will not waste time in talking. You need only 1 minute. Okay, so follow the rules because we know what you are doing. A student trying to write on a PPT is not allowed. You want to teach, tell me, I'll arrange a class for you. You will teach my students. No problem. Okay, you cannot touch the screen when the class is going on. I have all the reports, my dear. Okay, whatever you're doing, you're not doing, I'm getting all the reports. I have all the snapshots. You should be careful. Clear? So shall we start? We should not wait for more than 4 minutes. If someone is late, there can be an issue. Okay, so last time we have discussed some terms. What was that term? Min term. Yes? You can raise hand so that I can ask that particular
X into Y bar.
min term. What is min term? Don't behave as if I have not taught you only.
X into Y bar.
Yes,
Product
Shishtesh.
of all literals.
Minterm is the addition of a positive proposition and a complement.
Basically, in simple
X.
words, if you want to remember, min term is a product term. You remember
Oh,
only
sorry,
two terms.
product I said max term.
Min term
X
is
and Y
product term
complement.
and max term is sum term. So what is product term? Product
Sorry.
term means suppose A and B are the propositions. When you join them with the help of product term means dot. So AB bar, A bar B, A bar B bar. These all are min term. What is the rule for min term? That it should have both the variables. If there is A and B in min term, there should be A, B both. You cannot have only A or only B. Not possible. Then what is max term? One raise hand so that I can ask that person who knows. And if you don't know, there can be homework like writing 10 times, 50 times, Yeah. Only girls are raising hand, boys are thinking that okay, we are in majority, so we will not. Yes, Kaveh. The head boy will
Sum of
answer.
the literal with or without
See, don't
complement.
mug up. This is not a subject where you can mug up literally. If I want to know what is next term, I should know it is sum term. Khatam. Now I will make the sum term that comes later. Min term means product term, max term means sum term, and both should have all the variables. That is the rule. Here, don't mug up. Okay. Or you want shortcut, then remember AB bar is min term and A plus B bar is max term.
Max.
Simple.
Max term.
Understood? Now we can have complement form or simple form. Means it can have A also, A bar also. It can have B also and B bar also. So that's why we have 4 options for 2 variables. If your variables are A and B, what are the 4 min terms? Who will tell me? Nobody has got
What, ma'am?
I have 2 propositions.
Voices coming.
A
Some
and
noise
B.
is coming, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Ishan will answer. He has raised hand. The question is, For variable or proposition A and B, what are the mean terms, possible mean terms? Yes, Ishan, my dear, you have raised hand. I think you know the answer.
A dot B dash
Okay.
AB
Yes.
A dash B
Yes.
B dash.
A bar, B bar.
That A bar B bar.
Yes. Do you understand?
Yes.
AB. First is AB. Second is A bar, B bar. Third is A bar, B. And fourth is A, B bar. Is there any other option you can try? Try your creativity and tell me. No, nothing. There is no other option. Do you understand? So for P and Q, tell me the max terms. Dhwani will answer. Dhwani. For P
A
and
bar plus B bar,
yes,
then A bar plus B,
yes,
then A plus B bar,
yes,
and A plus B.
yes. All four correct. Did you understand? Now there should be no problem in min term and max term. From now onwards, whatever I will teach today, I will ask you questions related to that in the next class so that I can understand that you have understood the concept or not. See, when we are not teaching in a class, we cannot rush. At least I will not rush. Okay, once you get the topic, then only I will go for the next topic. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand next topic also. So now today I am going to teach you what is SOP, what is POS, what is canonical SOP, and what is canonical POS. So I am going to start with the slide again. Okay, I will share the screen. See, all these topics are connected with each other. If you don't know min term, if you don't know max term, you don't know what is SOP, you don't know what is POS. Then you don't know what is canonical SOP and POS. Okay, so I will switch to the presentation. Any doubts? Till now we have discussed only the things which we have already discussed. This was recapitulation. So I don't think you should have any doubt, but if you have doubt, raise them. No one? Okay, good. Can you see the slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Income is product term. See, red color highlighted.
Yes.
Can you see red word product, because that is the main word. You know keyword. What is main important word. Then comes next term is sum of all the little. So example is x plus y bar. Next is canonical expression. Now what is canonical expression? A canonical expression is a Boolean expression consisting of all the Boolean variables. Then it is called canonical. Means what? See here. Xy plus x bar y bar. This is canonical SOP. Sum of product. What is the product? This is the product. When we are doing sum of these product, it becomes SOP. It is canonical because here also we have xy and here also we have xy, both variables. Tell me if x plus x bar y bar is canonical or not.
No.
Why? What is the reason?
Because it all the Boolean variables, all it.
Yes, in the first term y is missing. If I say x plus x bar y bar, in first term y
Madam,
is
canonical means what?
canonical means Purvam. Purvam has asked.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. My dear, canonical means a expression where we have all the possible variables in each term. अगर मेरे पास दो वेरिएबल है x और y, तो हर टर्म में x y both should be there. It cannot be only x or y. Wait, I will solve all your doubts because we will discuss what is SOP also. Till now we have not discussed what is SOP. We have discussed only what is canonical SOP. Don't worry, next slide is that only. Now what is canonical POS? Product of sum. Can you understand? This is product of sum. x bar plus y bar, it is sum. X plus y is sum, and I have done product of these two terms. And because they both have x and y, so it is called canonical POS. Now let's go to the next slide to understand what is SOP and POS. Now what is SOP? This type of expression is formed by adding the product. Adding the product means sum of product. Right? If A and B are two Boolean variables, then A bar B plus B is an SOP. See the difference? Shaunak here. The difference between this and that canonical SOP is see here and here. See the difference? Here only B is there. Can you see only B? There is no A in the second term. How many of you can understand this? This
Yes,
is
got it.
SOP because यहाँ पे A missing है. If I write A bar B plus B, it is SOP because we have done the sum of the product. ये sum हो रहा है product का. In this, each term might not have all the variables. Okay. Now what is
Yes.
POS? POS is product of sum. So A bar plus B, this is sum, B alone, and product of these two. So this is called product of sum. I will open a Word file and write this thing in my words so that you can understand, because I have realized that you all are not able to understand. It's very bad. Can you see the Word file?
Yes.
Yes.
Now let me write in simple words. I will increase the font size. SOP. Suppose here the variables, let's take common variables A and B. Two propositions we have, one is A and one is B. Then I will write the examples of SOP. Okay. First let me write the examples of mean term. Okay. So that all your concepts, we can make it clear today. What will be the mean term? AB.
AB.
What is
AB.
mean term? Product term. Remember.
Product.
A,
B bar.
Then
A bar B.
Bar A.
A bar B. Then
And A bar B bar.
A bar B bar.
yes. Then what will be the max?
Yes.
A plus B.
I'm writing everything so that you will not have a single doubt. I don't want you to have doubts. I hate doubts. Let me write the way I have written in the yes. Any doubt in this?
No.
Basically, what is mean term? I'm writing here. Mean term is the product term. Teaching you as if you are in first standard. Wow, wow, wow. Then max term is the
Term.
term. Now, what is SOP? SOP is sum of product term. Okay, so product बनाओ पहले. What is product? A dot B. A dot 0. Now sum करना है. Sum is plus. Now you will think that 0 कहाँ से आया? My madam is doing something new every day. It is my job. Okay. Now why here there is no B? That's why this is SOP. Okay. If I want to make it canonical SOP,
Then B we have tried.
then there should be B in both the variables, both the terms.
Okay. मैडम ये जरूरी नहीं है ना कि
Yes, who is that? Speak, my dear.
मैडम ये जरूरी नहीं है ना कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट होना जरूरी है.
No, no. It can be anything. It can be. You are smart enough to understand.
Yes.
The rule is that there should be both the variables. If B यहाँ नहीं है, it becomes SOP. So here,
Okay.
do you realize that this is same as this? Yes.
Yes.
So because B is missing, this cannot be a canonical. It does not fulfill the condition of being a canonical form
Canonical.
where each term should have or must have all the variables. Who is waiting? Someone is waiting for us. 18 participants. Can you see someone wait? Chat hai, chat. What are you writing, my dear? Any problem? You can speak. Ma'am, does it mean that the SOP and POS expression are not canonical expressions? No, they are not. There are two things that we are going to learn: SOP, canonical SOP, POS, and canonical POS. Don't worry, I'll come to that. Okay, did you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, now let us go to, POS
POS.
and canonical POS. Let me write the canonical POS first because that you have understood better. A plus B dot
Dot. A bar plus B.
anything. It can be A bar plus B bar or A bar plus B, something. Can you understand product of sum? ये क्या है? Sum है. ये क्या है? Sum है. And there is a dot means product of sum. But why it is canonical? Because here also AB, here also AB. POS example can be A plus B dot A or
A.
B or A bar or B bar, something. Yes? Now it is
Yes.
not that difficult. Now, why did I add a 0 or I add a 1 here? Why did I do that? Do you know that? Do you know that?
No.
To fulfill the definition that it is sum of product. तो यहाँ product तो होना चाहिए ना? So when you put a dot with 0, what is the result? I'm not sure
A.
that I'm writing the correct answer. That will be 1 here or not. I'm not sure.
Zero, I think so.
Zero.
A dot
not-
zero.
Zero
The
only.
term
Zero
remains
only.
same. See, the term remains same, but now this is called a product. If I write only a, you will get confused कि sum तो है because there is plus sign, but this is not a product of anything. So we can write A dot 1 or A dot 0 something and make it the same.
A dot 1. So we A can dot get 1.
Dot
Yeah.
1. So here
So
there
we can
will be A plus 0. See, these rules you should know. The principle of 0 and principle of 1.
One.
This is your
One.
SOP, POS, canonical SOP and canonical POS. Now the question is, now the next slide is how to convert this. How to convert an SOP into a canonical form. Do you understand what the question is?
Yes.
I have
yes,
been
yes.
given an SOP. I have been given this SOP. Now I want to convert it to canonical SOP means यहाँ पे B आना चाहिए. हर term में, every term there should be A and B both. So how to make it possible? I have the slide. I will show it to you. But before that, I have a
Madam.
slide. Who is making noise? That tuck 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 tuck.
Someone is making noise.
My
Ah.
noise is anyway not that smooth. You know, don't spoil it. Okay, so we are going back to the slide. I will stop share. I will do the new share, and I am here now. Let me explain you sum of product again. So A bar B plus B is SOP. Did you understand now? Now there
Yes.
will be no doubt.
Yes.
The textbook next time when we will meet, I will ask you questions, and I don't want any doubts because I have explained so many times. Okay. Now the next slide is what is the difference? The key difference is between SOP and POS. The key difference between SOP and POS are these. See, this is very, very important. Why am I discussing this for so long? 4 definitions we are discussing for 2 periods because depending on this, we will solve the K-map. Now, solving a K-map means you need mean term, SOP, POS, max term, canonical, everything you need.
Next term.
and the weightage of this K-map is almost 15 marks in your exam. And this is very easy to understand. This is not where you have to, think a lot. This is very, very simple and easy to understand. That's why I always ask my students to never skip these questions. K-map is the question that they all will have to attempt compulsory. So that's why I'm discussing again and again. So what is SOP? SOP generates an expression in which all the variables in a domain are first multiplied then added. मतलब क्या है? Product का sum है. So A, B multiply, A bar, B bar multiply and then add both of them. So that is called SOP. On the contrary, POS means having variables summed then multiply. So पहले A plus B bar and then multiply. Clear? This is the basic difference. Next is min term or product term are mainly used in SOP. Now please understand, whenever you are supposed to discuss SOP in SOP, there will be only min term. Just try to recollect. AB plus AB bar. What is AB? Min term. What is AB bar? Min term. But when you discuss POS, A plus B bar dot A bar plus B bar. What is A plus B bar? Next term.
Next.
So there is a connection. Whenever it is SOP min term, whenever it is POS, it is next term. You cannot mix them. It is not possible at all. Okay. Now, here, whenever you have SOP, we will always emphasize on using the one value. One is what? In Boolean algebra, one is what?
True.
One is true, or in other words, if I say the current is passing, active line is 1.
Yeah.
घर में जब light है ना, so it is 1. Light गई, power off, then it is 0. Okay, so please remember this. And it is called high value. High. 1 is high and 0 is low. This is really, really important. Now in the SOP method, the value 1 is replaced by the variable and 0 by its complement. This we will discuss without writing. I cannot explain this, don't worry. And when it is in POS, it is ulta pulta. So when in SOP, I'm writing 1 means I will write A. But if the current is 0, then I will write A bar. Don't worry, I'll explain this again. At last, all the terms are added with each other. In case of SOP, in POS, the terms are multiplied. Now, this already explained. You should know. Okay. Now, next slide is, don't worry, this third point I'll explain because I have a slide where we will generate a, position for mean term and next term, the designation. Don't worry. Okay, so now how to convert a SOP to canonical SOP? Now this I have taken from the book only. Don't worry, you have book, you can open it. It is readable. So I will explain. Now if I have SOP, I want to convert it to canonical SOP. First, let us see the example. The example is A plus B. Now tell me, is it canonical SOP? Think and tell. A plus
No.
All variables are not there, no?
Because in the first term, which variable is missing?
B.
Second term.
A.
So that's why this is not canonical. This is only SOP. So how to convert an SOP into canonical? Now why we are doing this, I'll tell you. SOP we are converting to canonical because for solving a K-map, we only need canonical expression. We never need SOP. We need only canonical because we need all the variables in each term. So here what I have done, AB, barabar, A plus B. So first term A is missing with B. See, so what we have done is, we are multiplying A with B plus B bar. What is B plus B bar?
1.
1. When you multiply, A dot 1 is?
1. A.
A dot 1 is A only, it remains same. I told you postulates and Boolean laws are really important. I meant it. Because here you don't know b plus b bar is 1, then you are gone. Okay, so here I am multiplying with b plus b bar, and second term we are multiplying with
A plus
Plus
A
A
plus
plus.
A
Plus
bar.
A bar.
yes. Okay, so here we are multiplying with a plus a bar because here a term is missing. So then what is the solution? Now multiply ab,
Okay.
ab bar, ab, a bar, b bar. Now ab and ab will be
AB.
ab plus
AB.
ab is
B.
ab.
AB.
Because a plus a is a, b plus b is b.
I
Turn
don't
the
put
pages of your textbook and try to recollect those concepts that I taught you when we were meeting face to face. Yes. So now see, AB plus AB bar plus A bar B. Did you understand why have I written this?
Yes.
Because
Yes,
AB
yes.
plus AB will be simplified to AB. Now can you understand this has become canonical? Just go through it.
Yeah.
AB plus AB bar plus A bar B. Oh my God, all three terms have all variables. So it has become
Yes.
canonical. And why it is SOP? Because it is sum of products. See, three products are there. What are the products? AB, AB bar, and A bar B, and their sum. So how will you make a canonical SOP from SOP? Multiply with, the term which is missing, the variable which is
not there.
missing. So what we will do, see the rules. Now we are going to see the rules. Find the term which is any variable is missing. So first we got B here and we got A here. Multiply the sum of missing variable and its complement with the existing variable. Sum of missing variable and its complement means B plus B bar.
Plus B bar.
Here A plus A bar.
A
So
bar.
basically, if I want to write this in short, conversion of SOP to canonical SOP, what will I write?
What?
I will write dot A plus A bar. This is shortcut.
Not A plus B.
Yes. Yes.
What it is?
What will I write?
Madam, can you repeat?
Okay, I'll repeat. Don't worry, I'll repeat. Dot. Sorry, I got the next slide. Yes. What I will write is, I will write in Word file is okay.
Yes.
Want me to explain everything by writing only? No, you also have that habit. You are also like me. Wait. New share and screen and share. Okay. So now let us see SOP to CSOP. Now you understood what is CSOP? Canonical SOP.
Canonical SOP.
Chalo.
Yeah.
So let's take A plus A B. Okay. A plus B only let me. So here which term is missing? Which variable is missing? B.
B.
So
B.
B plus
And
bar.
A.
So what are we doing? We are multiplying with the
B
sum
bar.
of the term and its complement.
Means
The sum of
Missing
term
term.
and its complement. So here what I will multiply with?
A
A
plus
plus
A
A
bar.
bar.
The term and its complement. So basically it remains same. Do you understand?
Yes.
Have we changed the value of A plus B? Tell me.
No.
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 No, we have not. We have not. So now what we will write? Don't worry, I'll write again. I have no problem in writing again. So now AB and BA is same. So what will be the answer? AB plus
A plus.
bar plus
AB bar.
E
E
A
bar.
bar. So do you realize that this has become canonical form?
Yes.
Yes.
Why it has
Yes.
become canonical form now? Because it
Because
has
all the
all
variables are
Because the
the
product and sum both are there.
terms see, यहाँ पे B missing था, यहाँ पे A missing था, यहाँ पे nothing is missing, nothing is missing, nothing is missing. This is canonical SOP.
All possible variable are there.
Yes. And this is sum of product. Can you understand? Sum of products. These three are products. So canonical SOP.
Products.
Do you understand? Now what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to. So from tomorrow I'll not make the PPT only. I will teach in Word file. Yes. POS2 canonical POS. Give me any example of POS.
A plus.
AB.
Yes. This is POS but
A
not
plus AB.
SOP. Understand this. Why? Because here B is missing, here A is missing. So what to do? The thing is, when you want to convert POS into canonical POS, you will add the product of the missing variable and its complement. So what I will add here, I will add something. Chalo, bracket khali. I will add something here. But what will I add? Tell me. Now you are smart enough to understand.
B plus B bar and A plus A bar.
Yeah.
Oh.
A
Purvam.
bar.
Why Purvam is answering all questions? Why? Where are others? All my cute little dear students. Huh? Saunak is, sitting as if, chalo, Trishna madam will not ask chocolate. I am asking now also, Saunak. That chocolate, I will never forget it. No. Okay. So now, Shaunak will answer what to write here. Purvam said something, but I did not like the answer. I want your answer. Shaunak, baby.
A bar dot B.
Madam, can I speak the answer?
Shaunak is saying something random,
I can say the answer.
B dot B bar.
B dot B bar it would be.
B bar.
Only Shaunak will
Dot B
answer.
bar.
Why don't you understand, Arnav?
મારે આપવાનો છે આન્સર.
હું તો સાંભળી લેવું તો નવ આપી દે.
આ B dot B bar.
B dot B bar is correct.
Yes.
I'm writing here product of the missing variable and its complement. So missing variable क्या है? B. उसका complement क्या है? B bar and its product. Now here who will answer? Om Patel. My dear favorite Om Patel will answer. Where is Patel Om bhai Shaw? के गया?
What is this?
Catch him. It is
Hey,
there.
Om, listen. Ma'am is asking.
I am listening. A dot A bar.
Wow, great. Om is listening to me because he knows Trishna madam will not leave me. Okay. Aryan Talpada, today also he has not come. Ayush Talpada,
No,
sorry.
he came.
He came
Came for
back.
5-10 minutes. He came for 5-10 minutes.
Achha, as a chief guest.
Came.
But I thought chief guest is Trishna madam here. Someone is taking my place. I don't like it. Okay, we have only 4 minutes, so let us finish this. I will take care of Mr. Talpada later. Okay. So now what is the solution? Who will tell me?
AB. A plus B.
A plus B.
AB dot.
I can give you a hint that there are 4 brackets because there are 4 terms. Please answer nice.
A plus B.
Who is that? Tell me your name.
A plus B.
No. AB plus.
Oh, wow, wow.
B dot B bar 0. A plus
A
0.
plus B bar, B plus A, and B plus A bar.
Yes.
M.
How come Ishan is always right? How come? Huh? Okay. Don't worry, I will simplify this.
Aryan told madam.
Making noise, right? It is only my right to make noise in a class. You know me.
Okay, to the class.
A bar.
Tell me, am I wrong? You should say no, madam. You are always right.
No.
No.
You are always right, madam.
And then between AB
What I
will
have
not
done?
count.
See, Dara, what I have done? A I have add with B first. Then I have